All right, sales leaders, let me ask you this. How much is AI part of your sales game right now? If your answer is not much, don't worry, you're not alone. But let's change that. I've got a 6-month roadmap to help you master AI in sales step by step. Month 1, try AI first. Experiment with tools like ChatGPT to write sales emails or proposals. It's all about building curiosity and confidence. Check out Andrew Enge's Generative AI for Everyone on Coursera. It's a great start. Month 2, learn the basics. Dive into what AI actually is, machine learning, NLP, neural networks. Courses like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng or Elements of AI by the University of Helsinki make it simple. Trust me, understanding the fundamentals will help you make smarter decisions. Month 3, apply it in sales. Use tools like HubSpot AI or Salesforce Einstein to automate lead scoring or email follow-ups. This is where AI starts showing its value in your day-to-day. Month 4, master prompting. Did you know better prompts lead to better results? Build a library of prompts for discovery questions, objection handling, and more. It's a game changer. Month 5, learn responsible AI. This step is crucial. Ethical AI used builds trust and protects your reputation. Dive into Google's Responsible AI Guide to get it right. Finally, month 6, build your AI sales strategy. Set long-term goals, identify KPIs, and plan team training. The course AI for Business Leaders on EDX can help you craft a winning roadmap. There it is, your 6-month plan to integrating AI into your sales workflow. I am Professor Thomas Hermazadao. Join us today.